will really show you kind of how we cover it correctly, paying special attention to the buttons, because obviously we don't want to put too much on there, we don't want to put too little on there. That's the most important piece. Real simple, microfiber cloth, give it a good clean. This lift here is a Doppler, brand spanking new, so it's in really good condition. If you were out on site and you were looking to apply this, then obviously you might need to clean this 2, 3, 4 times. That's not a problem, you know, that is, if it needs to, then do it. This is the most important part. If you don't get it right, if you don't clean it right, if it's not ready to take the coating, then when it dries, it can't cure correctly and it just comes away. Exactly the same. You can use clean, in fact, use this one, just to clean the hole here, just to wipe it down. Oh, doors are opening. Too much pressure. To make sure it's as dry as it can be. Let me use this just to get as much of the water out as possible. Now the reason why we use the lint-free cloth rather than the microfiber all the way through is what we want to try and do is get rid of any tiny bits of fibre, dirt, dust, otherwise it will show up in the coating. We don't want to use the all metal because we've got plastic and we've got paint, so definitely want to use the all surface, otherwise it can make the paint run. Roll it down, beautiful. There we go, let's try and get as much on the top and the sides to get rid of those little bubbles. We just want to really lightly feather touch all the way down. Okay, it must be with the grain, otherwise it leaves a sticky mess. So again, real feather-like touch here. We don't want to put any real pressure on. All we're doing is smoothing that out. Dab a little bit with your finger. And then it's covering really nicely though. You need to really make sure that these buttons are covered. These are what's going to be used most. Brilliant. Right then guys, that's done now. So, what we can do is leave that for at least an hour to dry.
For more information on TouchGuard, visit our website www.pewelectrical.com.